Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. This unit is a 2017 Cedar Creek 38EL made by Forest River. Go ahead and come on inside, we'll take a look. And this one, as you can see, has a keypad entry and the nice heavy-duty MORryde steps. Let's start off here in the kitchen. As you can see, a nice residential fridge here. Very, very large, with the bottom pull-out freezer. A huge amount of storage over here on this wall. And as we come over this way, you have the Furrion induction stovetop with the Whirlpool convection microwave. Very big. And again, tons of storage up and around it. And then down below. And this is the dual basin sink, stainless steel. And as we come around this way, another big pantry with pull-out drawers. And then a nice addition to this unit, a little wine cooler. This is for the television mount, your entertainment system, and your Furrion stove. As you can see here, the stove for the fireplace pulls out with a nice hidden storage compartment. And then this couch here folds out into a queen bed. You have the dual chairs here facing the entertainment system, a ceiling fan, and a double-seated dinette. And we'll come on up here, we'll take a look at the restroom and the bedroom. As you can clearly see, a very, very large restroom with dual sinks, large shower with glass door, and a good amount of storage. Then back here in the bedroom, you have the television mount with tons of drawers here for storage, nice and deep. Back here, a huge closet. This also has a washer and dryer hookup, hanging options, and tons of storage over here. And then to top it all off, you have a nice king-size bed with power on both sides and reading lights. And we'll go ahead and head outside and we can take a look out there. And then as we get out here, you'll notice the Furrion marine grade speakers, a full awning, and then a huge basement storage here. That goes all the way across. And here you have propane. And under here, another big storage area for generator or just for storage. And then here you have your dual battery storage. And opposite that, you have the other side of your basement. And then all of your centralized water controls, battery disconnect, black tank, vanity tank, shower and galley tank, and then auxiliary hookups for exterior entertainment. And as you'll notice, it's a full painted body. And these windows, the paneless windows, and a power reel for your power cord, and your roof access ladder here for a full walk-on roof. Thank you again for clicking the link. Again, my name is Chris.McAndrews. If you have any questions, you can call or text. My cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Again, this is the 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek 38EL. Thank you.